Welcome to Cedarwood Wellness Limited. In this video, we are going to teach you how you can make your own simple natural cough syrup. We know very well that cough disturb a lot. So when one person in the family has cough, it gives the other people in the house trouble. Because if it is the child that has the cough, the parents will be running from one chemist to the another, from one hospital to another, in order to tackle and fight the cough. However, you don't need to do those things again because we're going to teach you how you can make your own simple natural cough syrup that will not cost you much money with just two simple ingredients. Now, what are these ingredients? One of the ingredients is the honey. Now, you can see my own honey. Why this honey? Because the honey has antibacterial ingredients that fight bacteria and virus that could cause cough. The second ingredient is the bitter kola. We all know this bitter kola. It is something that is common in Nigeria and in Africa. So why this bitter kola? Because bitter kola also has antibacterial ingredients that also fight cough. By the time you mix the honey and the bitter kola, you have a very strong antibiotic that can help you to fight cough when it comes in the family. Now, how do we prepare these ingredients? If you're watching us for the first time, please like and follow our page for more health tips on how you can make your own natural remedies at home. Now, to make your own cough syrup, what you just need to do is to get your bitter kola. You peel it off. Now, once you peel the bitter kola off, you can cut it into pieces and then you sun dry it. You put it under the sun and make it to dry very, very well. Because what we need is not this bulb, but what we need is the powder form of the bitter kola. Now look at my own powder form of the bitter kola. I have sun dried it and I've ground it. So by the time you grind it, it becomes like this powder. So it is this powder of the bitter kola that you're going to mix with the honey. Now once you mix the bitter kola and the honey, you get your own antibiotic that you're going to use for as your cough syrup. Now watch me do this. You'll notice very well that what I did was 1 tablespoon of the bitter kola. Notice that it was flat. It was not. It didn't fill it up. It was a flat tablespoon of the bitter kola. Now with this tablespoon of the bitter kola, we will need 3 tablespoons of honey. 3 tablespoons of honey. So you have to stir it very well. So once you stir it very well, you have something that look like this. Now this is the cough syrup. Once you have this cough syrup, you will notice that you are going to say bye-bye to cough in the family because you have it, you prepare it, you can keep it. Anytime anybody in the family experiences any cough, you give to the person. Now, how do you take it? How many spoons do you take in a day? When do you even take it? You check the comment section for the direction on how to take this cough syrup. Thank you very much. This is just one of the videos we'll show you on how you can make your own natural remedy. There are so many videos that we want to show you on how you can make your own natural remedy so that you do not always need to be confused running from one place to another once there is one minor sickness in the house or the other. For you to enjoy the next video we are going to produce on how you can make your own natural remedy, please follow our page. It is very, very important that you follow the page. Most importantly, you also need to let your friends, your family people to know about how they can make their own cough syrup. So if that is the case, share this video, share it and share it. Tell us how you feel about this video and how you feel about what we are doing. We will love you guys because we always give you more videos that will benefit you in your family.